All right, today we're going to dive into a really fascinating idea. What if the simple act of saving a link could actually build your reputation? We're going to explore how one platform is trying to completely transform private bookmarking into a viral engine for sharing knowledge. So, let's start with a problem I'm pretty sure we all know too well. You find an amazing article, a super useful tool, some brilliant resource. You save the link, feeling all productive, and then what happens? It just vanishes into some forgotten folder, a digital black hole, pretty much lost forever. Okay, now just imagine a different world for a second. What if that simple act, saving and sharing a link, didn't just add to a list you'll never look at again, but actually actively build up your professional influence and establish you as a real curator in your field? Well, that's the whole idea behind this new platform called NightHawk. It's designed to take bookmarking from, a private chore into something that's social, discoverable, and genuinely powerful. The core concept behind NightHawk is to give you the tools to turn your private library of links into a public knowledge base, one that other people can actually benefit from, and, critically, one that you get the credit for building. So the big question is, how does it make your links go viral? Well, the magic isn't just about clicking share. It's really about the intelligent features that are working behind the scenes to make curation totally effortless and way more powerful. First thing, smart bookmarks. The moment you save a link, NightHawk gets to work. It automatically grabs a screenshot, pulls the title, and snags a description. It instantly creates this rich visual entry for you. You don't have to do any of that tedious work yourself. And, once you've saved hundreds of these links, how do you find anything? That's where the AI search comes in. You can just ask a question in plain English, something like, find that cool design tool for gradients, and it'll dig it up even if you can't remember the exact name. And this isn't just about the link itself, it's about your own insights. NightHawk has this rich text editor built right in, so you can add your own thoughts, your summaries, or little reminders directly to the bookmark. It makes your knowledge base so much deeper and more personal. Now this is where the big shift really happens. With viral analytics, you can actually see what happens after you share something. You can track views, saves, and all that engagement to really understand which of your curated links are hitting the mark with the community. Okay, so we've seen the individual features, now let's put it all together and see how they combine to create what the platform calls a viral bookmarking effect. This is the really cool part. The key takeaway here is that this is a system where your effort has a direct visible impact. When you curate and share, you're not just organizing things for yourself, you're actively contributing to this communal pool of knowledge, and everyone benefits. This four-step loop is basically the engine that drives all discovery. You add something valuable, it gets automatically surfaced to other users on their dashboards and through notifications. As they see it and save it, its visibility just grows and grows. And in the process, your profile gains authority as a trusted source. It's a beautiful cycle. Seriously, just picture this. A single action, you adding one useful link in the middle of the night, can trigger this whole cascade of engagement across the network while you're asleep. You wake up and find you've amplified both the resource and your own reputation as the person who found it. And hey, this isn't just some hypothetical idea. Early users are already seeing this happen. A content creator named Sarah Johnson said her curated collections get so much engagement, which is awesome proof that the concept is already working out there in the real world. So we know the concept is powerful, but who exactly benefits from a system like this? Let's take a look at the real-world impact. Honestly, the applications are incredibly broad. For developers, it's an amazing way to discover and share coding tools. For marketers, it's perfect for tracking trending content. For researchers and students, it's about building this powerful shared library of academic resources. The list just goes on. A huge theme here is just pure efficiency. A software engineer, Rajesh Kumar, points out how the automatic screenshots and metadata save him hours of manual work. And for anyone who works with information all day, well, that's a massive win. And all of this leads to the final, and maybe the most important piece of the NightHawk story. It's not just about the cool features, it's about the community that's being built around them. Yeah, the platform is very explicitly positioning itself as an early-stage initiative. It's basically an open invitation for founding members to jump in, contribute what they know, and help shape the future of this whole ecosystem. You can even see that community focus right in the plans. Sure, there's a free tier so you can check out the basics, but the support tier is really interesting. It's a small, one-time, lifetime payment for unlimited use. This isn't a subscription. It's a clear call for early adopters, people who believe in the vision to help build this project from the ground up. Then you've got an invite-only tier for top creators that even offers revenue sharing, really doubling down on that community-first approach. So all of this leaves us with one final thought. The infrastructure for a totally new kind of knowledge sharing is being built right now. The tools are there. The only question left is, what valuable insights will you be the one to share first? What knowledge will you make viral?